In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Temu customer service through various methods like live chat, email, and app support. Whether you've got a question or need help resolving an issue, knowing the right way to reach out can save you time and make the process much smoother. Let's dive in and explore your options. First, we're going to head over to the Temu website. This is the best place to start as it gives you access to all their support resources in one spot. Simply open your web browser and type in the Temu website address to navigate there. Once you've landed on their homepage, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the all-important support link. Click on it and you'll see a list of customer service options unfold. From there, you'll want to click on the option that says Chat with Temu. This feature allows you to connect directly with the customer service representative via live chat. It's often the quickest way to get answers to questions or troubleshoot issues in real time, providing a convenient alternative to more traditional means like phone calls or emails. Be sure to have any relevant information, such as order numbers or account details, at your fingertips, as this will streamline the process and allow the representative to assist you more efficiently. Now, let's say you prefer to contact Temu through email. This is a great option if you need to send detailed information such as screenshots or documentation related to your query. To do this, go back to the support section where you'll find their customer service email address, compose a new email, and include all pertinent details, making sure to write a clear subject line that reflects the nature of your issue. Once your email is ready, hit send, and a member of the Temu customer support team will get back to you as soon as possible. While not as instantaneous as live chat, email support allows for more comprehensive communication and documentation. Finally, we come to app support. If you use the Temu app on your smartphone or tablet, you can access customer support directly from there. Open the app and look for the Settings or Support tab, which is usually located in the menu. Here, you'll find various support options tailored for mobile users, including FAQs and contact methods that align with your device's capabilities. And there you have it. 3 effective ways to reach out to Temu's customer service: live chat for real-time support, email for detailed inquiries, and app support for on-the-go assistance. Each method has its own advantages, so choose the one that best fits your needs. I hope this video helps you feel more comfortable and confident reaching out to Temu whenever you need assistance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next